Theo here, welcome back to Free Code Camp, JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structure Certification, starting off with regular expression challenges. So you can go ahead and read this. Basically, regular expressions are special strings that represent a search pattern, also known as a regex. Regex. They help programmers match search and place text so they can appear cryptic because a few characters have special meaning. This goal is to combine the symbols and text into a pattern that matches what you want, but only what you want. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So first, what I want to do is apply the regex on the myString using the test method. Basically, this will just return true or false. And this right here is, as you can sort of see, we're just matching basically if the text includes this string right here. So we can say result equals myregex.test, and what we want to test it with, right? You can sort of see we're going to test it with this string of myString, right? And then we're going to go ahead and run our test suite right here. Let's go ahead and do that. Cool. Looks good. Number two, we're going to match literal strings. So you complete the regex Waldo regex to find Waldo in the string Waldo is hiding with a literal match. So again, this is the literal match right here. So what we can do is we just want to change this to match Waldo. Okay. And that's good to go. Number three, we're going to match a literal string with different possibilities. So complete the regex pet regex to match the pets dog, cat, bird, or fish. So again, the only difference is here we have this little pipe. So we're matching, this would be like an or, right? So what we want to match here is going to be dog or cat or bird or fish. Let's go ahead and run these tests. Good to go. Number four, ignore case, so case insensitive. So to ignore case, what we can do is basically have this ignore flag, which is just going to take here, and what we're going to say is free code, let's say free code camp. Yeah, let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. And now we want to extract the matches. So this will actually, with this match function, this will return back to us an array of the matches, which is kind of cool. I'm personally a regex noob. I hardly ever use the only ones I use really are like replacing basic values in strings or a global replace. So it's good for me to learn too. So apply the match method to extract the word coding. So what we're going to do here is say coding, right? I just want coding, and then I'm going to run this match method, and we're just going to match extract string.match coding regex, and this should actually return us, if I'm not mistaken, a result. Or maybe I will just do this. Alert results. I just want to see what we have here. And it says we have coding. Cool. And then let me see what happens if we just grab length. We got 1. And then we can sort of see results. Take that out. We'll say array.prototype.toString.call results. And we take that out. And we have coding right here. Just log this out. See what it gives us in the console right here. And we have coding. So it's just 1. Cool. Let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. Number 5, find a 1, find more than the first match. So what we want to do is use the regex to find and extract both twinkle from the string twinkle star. You can have multiple flags in regex. This is global, case insensitive. So we want to match twinkle, and we just want to be case insensitive, I think. That should give us what we want, and so it's not a function. Sorry. Start.match. I'm going to say star regex. And run that, and match both case insensitive. Global. I think it needs to search all of them. There we go. So the global is what will actually give us back. Let me just look real quick. Let me just grab the results, and I will just inspect it here in our, and we see we have an array of 2 values, which is pretty cool. So that's it for this lesson, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Take care. Go check out the links in the description for the course on React and JavaScript. See you guys in the next video. Take care.